Adam, what do we got here?
So we have the MG Kyrios.
Yep.
One we've been waiting on for quite a while. Lovely box art on it. I love it. Absolutely gorgeous.
Cool, cool.
And inside, plenty of bits and pieces.
Jeez, that's stacked.
It is stacked. Barely fits in
like
the box.
it's a thin box. They just packed it in, didn't they?
Keeping lots of
So
goodness.
that's the transfers?
Yep, gotta have your decals, your transfers.
And let's check out those clear parts.
All means.
That's a fairly new thing. Cockpit's really nice and nice.
Yep, 4 transformable mode, of course. Flight mode. Basics.
It's not the metallic gray, it's just standard gray for the inner frame.
That's sort of great. I think it'll look better with that orange though.
There you go.
Good nice contrast there. All the bits and pieces.
Outer panel lines.
Yep. Stuff. I love that orange.
It's really bright.
Yeah, really fine.
See, that's a lot of parts.
I know. It's going to keep anyone going for quite a while. I might have to pick one up myself.
Now's the time for it.
Exactly.
Cool.
Nice and eye-catching. Plenty of grey, plenty of white, plenty of orange. Striking design, very iconic.
Look at that. That's one part. That's part of the wing, right?
Yep.
Yep. And it's one part. And it's got panel lines and everything. It's like, that's one part.
There is a lot of detail on that. Like,
Look
just
at that. They've done that as one part.
beautiful. Very striking.
Yeah, that's nuts. Alright, I take it back. That's impressive.
Were you thinking it was going to be otherwise?
Oh,
yeah?
you know, I kind of thought it was going to be pretty. I thought, you know, they wouldn't even have this as a separate part. But that's actually one part. And you're this.
Booklet, classic artwork. Go through. I love how they're getting more and more English, particularly for the history of the mobile suit, that sort of thing. I think that's I think Bandai's really going that extra step. This one's really well laid out,
Yeah.
as any good instruction booklet should be.
Yes. Here you go. What's the verdict?
Verdict? I give it a solid 9.5 out of 10. The reviews are very good for it.
Okay.
And I mean, yeah, it's just looking like it's going to be a fun build. So get yours while you can.
Okay. Thanks a lot, Adam.
No problem.